Hey, what's up, my friend? So welcome back to another episode of Ask Rayner, and in today's episode, I have a question from Umang, right, who asked, hey Rayner, how do I scan the stock markets for my trading setup? Because there's so many stocks out there, right? Hundreds, if not thousands of stocks. So my response, right, to this is there is a 4-step procedure that you can follow, right? But the first thing that I want to point out is, number one, finding a trading setup or a pattern or scanning for a strategy or whatsoever is like finding a wife, right? You have to know what you're looking for, right? For example, if you are looking for a wife who is a brunette, Asian, Chinese, I don't know, Teochew, Indian, whatsoever, right? You have to know what you're looking for in the first place. And it's the same for trading the markets. What is the trading setup you're looking for? So this is the first thing, right? You have to define, right? What is the trading setup you're looking for? Right, it's like finding a wife, right? Are you looking for a trending stock, a breakout stock, or maybe a stock that has, tanked over the last 12 months and you want to buy, near the bottoms or whatsoever. So once you have defined your trading setup, then you can go into step 2. So step 2, right, you want to know is to define the market cap you want to trade. For example, for those of you who are in the, say, in the US, right, you have Russell 3000. Russell 3000 comprises of the, the large cap, mid cap, and the small cap stocks. So if you can define further, right, what is the market capitalization of stocks that you want to trade, you can, kind of filter it down further. Okay, but if you're, let's say, in Singapore, there's only like the STI 30 stocks, right? There's the large cap, mid cap, you have a few thereabout. You don't really need to do this classification, right? It's only for those of you who are in countries where you have thousands and thousands of stocks. Okay, so once you've done this classifying the market cap, right, that's step 2. Step 3, right, what you do is to scan the markets. Okay, so how can you go about scanning the market? So a few tricks that I can share with you is, number one, let's say you want to scan for trending stocks. So what you want to do is you can put out, let's say, for example, the 20, 50 and 200 period moving average. So if the stock, right, is above the 20, 50 and 200, right, then chances are it's going to be a trending stock. So let's say you only want to trade trending stocks, you can go through your entire watch list and scan all these stocks, right, which are above this moving average. Alternatively, if you want to, let's say, trade breakout stocks, you can just look for stocks, right, which are breaking out, for example, their 52-week high, breaking out of their 200-day high, etc. Right? And another example I can give you is, let's say you want to buy stocks which are, doing very badly over the last 12 months. Maybe you want to catch the bottom, right? So what you can do is to scan stocks at their 52-week low, 200-day low, and etc. Okay, so this is a few tricks for you to actually, help you scan the markets quickly, right? And once you've scanned the markets, what you want to do is to, number 4, put it all in a spreadsheet, right? So usually, let's say, you do it on the weekend, right? On a weekday, whatever, right? Say you do it on a weekend, right? So say you have 500 lists of stocks to scan, you can do it all on the weekend, and, you want to put down those stocks, right, which are about to have their setup occur, right? This means that, you look at it, let's say you want to trade the breakout. This stock, you notice that it's already near the 52-week high, maybe like, just say, 1-2 points away. You want to put this stock in your spreadsheet so that when the market open next week, right, you will just focus on the stocks in your spreadsheet which are about to, have their setup occur, right? No point putting all the 500 stocks because, it's like scanning the market. So just what you want to do is to find the gems among your 500 stocks, put it into the spreadsheet, and those are the stocks that you want to focus on in this coming week. Okay, and these are pretty much, right, the 4 steps, right, to do so you can actually, scan the stock markets and find the trading setups that you want. So is there, some of you might be wondering, is there like, any software to do this work for you, right? So the only one that I do know of is Finviz, Finviz. That is for the US stock markets. They have this kind of, quick scanner. Whether you want to use fundamentals to scan or technicals, they have this for you, right? As for local Singapore stocks, Philippine stocks, India stocks, I do not know of, such tools that is in the market right now, right? But for US, there is, and it's Finviz. And I think Think or Swim, right, also offers something similar. Okay, so yeah, if there is no scanner, you can just go through the 4 steps I've shared with you. Number 1, define your trading setup. Number 2, right, know the market cap that you want to trade. Number 3, scan the markets. And number 4, put those stocks that you have scanned into a spreadsheet so you can track them when the market opens this coming week. And that's it, okay? So that's all I have for you in this week's episode of Ask Rayner. And if you want to learn proven trading strategies, right, that work, you can go down to my website, tradingwithrayner.com, right, and access, my materials for free. Okay, so that's it, right? And any questions, let me know in the comment section below. And if you have enjoyed this video, hit the like button and I would really appreciate it. I'll talk to you soon.